Hi everyone and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 420D M Sport Gran Coupe presented in carbon black. So as you can see there, as well as that very nice exterior colour, we've also added a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit to the car, and included in that is a set of brand new 405M style alloys. Sitting just behind the alloys you will see the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this car that does mean we've got the full BMW M Sport Plus package, and I'll touch upon what else that includes as we go around. 2016 66 reg, Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps. As you can see there, we've got the BMW gloss black air breathers, matching gloss black sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals, as well as that very striking exterior colour. Does also come with sun protection glazing, again as part of that M Sport Plus package. Moving forward to show you the interior, you do of course have a very nice black Dakota leather within this car. Front seats come with the electric lumbar and heated seat options. We've got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. Another superb feature is of course the Harman Kardon surround sound, and we shall now show you the rear seats, where we do of course find a Isofix 3-seat rear bench, central folding armrests and darkened M Sport headlining, all in superb condition. Before making our way round to the very rear, we'll show you those alloys once again, take a real close-up look at those M Sport Plus brakes. This particular 4 Series Gran Coupe, we went for the carbon style rear boot spoiler and the high gloss rear boot spoiler, rear diffuser, sorry. Automatic opening and closing tailgate. We can make that even larger by split folding the seats or removing both bottom and top partial shelves, which really does help you out should you have a bit of a taller item to put in the boot. Moving round at the other side of the car, you can see there that carbon black, more towards the front of the vehicle, does become darker to lighter, and of course some people will often mistake it for a black in the pictures. However, it is more of a dark blue, but it's certainly a very standout colour and works nicely with the additions we've made here. Moving on, I'm going to go ahead and take a seat inside the vehicle and show you around a couple of the interior features in a bit more depth. First of all, by starting the car up, and we'll go through the professional wide navigation and media screen. Currently up there is the navigation, which utilises real-time traffic updates to keep us on the fastest route possible. We've also got, to keep us connected, we've got Bluetooth, telephone and audio, and a huge amount of multimedia inputs such as DAB, music collection, AUX and USB inputs, and as we've already checked out, we've got Bluetooth audio as well. Down here we see there that we've got dual climate control along with the switches for these lovely heated seats. This particular 420D we're sat in has covered just over 46,000 miles. I did of course talk about that 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. Comes with cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls as well. And I'm just going to now go over and show you the vehicle service information and service requirements. 5,000 miles till next service, and in terms of service history, does come equipped with full BMW service history as well. So there is a short walk around video for the 420D M Sport Gran Coupe in carbon black. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and found it useful, and we'll hopefully see yourselves very soon. Further contact information is always available into the description, along with our link to our website, where of course you can check out pricing options along with our incredible wide array of funding options for this car, along with all of our other amazing examples. Thanks again, and we'll hopefully see you soon guys. Take care, bye bye.